In today's agile world, getting your product to the market quickly is more crucial than ever. Every company is in a race against time, and any delay in product launch can significantly impact your business. To speed up the processes, turning to automation is a good option. However, automation comes with its own set of risks. Did you know that the majority of automation initiatives have security vulnerabilities and quality assurance gaps? The Workato platform ensures security from a digital infrastructure standpoint. However, the build quality should not bring suboptimal performance and potential threats to the application. CI/CD automation speeds up deployment but doesn't assure product quality. Delays aren't just due to slow processes. They arise from security leaks, compliance issues, or minor bugs causing infinite loops in code lead significant delays. Moreover, manual Workato recipe checks are too time-consuming and impractical under tight deadlines, risking overlooked security and quality checks. Therefore, the need for a robust quality governance mechanism is undeniable. The solution? It's revolutionary, and right here, Workato's Automation Quality and Security Accelerator. This accelerator provides an immediate yet customizable solution for organizations to standardize and automate quality checks for all you who develop on Workato. And the features? They're nothing short of groundbreaking. It offers a suite of features ranging from configuring best practices to conducting recipe design diagnostics by executing pre-configured rules, identifying hard-coded secrets, organizing asset hierarchy, adhering to naming conventions, and offering essential metrics. Delays and vulnerabilities in product launches pose significant challenges. With Automation Quality and Security Accelerator, save manual code review time, standardize best practices, and ensure your code complies with top-notch quality and security standards. What would these time and cost savings mean for your business? Saving time and money is essential for staying ahead in the market and keeping customers happy. Join the forefront of quality and security automation with Workato's Automation Quality and Security Accelerator, accelerating your journey to excellence. Visit workato.com and request a demo today.